Here I have LG K8 2017, and today I'm going to show you how to clear browsing data from this device. So firstly you have to open internet browser, then tap here, go to history section, and then tap clear browsing data. Then select time range for which you want to delete your history. It could be past hour, past day, past week, past month, or beginning of time. Then select data formats which you want to delete. It could be browsing history, cookies inside data, cached images and files, saved passwords, and autofill form data. And then just tap clear data, and after that history will be cleared. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.